Introduction. Hey, connect to World Buddies. Today, let's discuss the term homosexual. It's not just a label, there's more to this word. Let's navigate the landscape of love, identity, and understanding. Meaning. So, homosexual is an adjective that describes a person who is romantically or sexually attracted to individuals of the same gender. It's an aspect of human sexuality and identity. Usage. Imagine conversations about LGBTQ plus rights, fostering inclusivity, or sharing personal stories to promote understanding and acceptance. Examples. Think of the courage it takes to come out as homosexual, the importance of representation in media for the homosexual community, or the ongoing fight for equal rights. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's homosexual, a term that carries the weight of personal identity and the journey towards acceptance, right? Different uses. Ever heard of homosexual relationships being depicted in literature or film? They contribute to diverse narratives and representation. Conclusion. If discussions around homosexual experiences and understanding matter to you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more inclusive word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.